I made it. Just in time. This tree, this is where I'll rest. All right, time to make this home for the night. Digging this snow is brutal. Almost done. This will work. Keep it tight, keep it strong. This has to hold. Almost there, hold fast. Just one more. Tight. Oh, thank God, got it. Almost there. I need fuel fast. This should work. Need more wood. Come on. That's it. It's working. God, it's freezing. Oh, got it. Yes, finally. Ha. Almost there. Keep moving. Just a little further. Almost there. The heart of the wild. The scent alone is life. Almost there. Secure the base. Can't. Not now. It's too cold. Must stay put. I must move. Keep moving. I have to get out. Oh, push harder, harder. Just a little more. Yes. The perimeter is stable. It's the wolves. They must have come right up to the shelter. They were closer than I thought. I must get this fire started. Just need to find the right spot. Finally. Thank you. The water boils. Salt for flavor. Food tastes better with the mountain breeze. The mountain air. It's the best part.
इस में जो लोग वर्ताला रहे और इसके मन ये इसमें चल सीने और सुबह के में आधे सन किस तुम लोग के बहते हो भाई.
Sleeping bag, check. Axe, check. Wait, what about the rope? No, rope's inside. Okay, everything's here. Let's go. Thank you, old friend.
Sunu देखिए करेंगे आतिफ्तियन जो थे आप उसना नवास में डूब कर और 8 दिन में आन की मनसन तन तो में सिंह करिए कि सुधर आते
The raw beauty of this place is overwhelming. It's magnificent. We survived it.
The wind whistles through the pass. It is time to leave the wilderness behind.
Finally, I'm here